Hello students, I am Kinjal Parmar. Welcome back to the video lecture series of microprocessor and microcontroller. Our today's topic is Introduction to Microcontroller. So let's start with the definition of microcontroller. This microcontroller is basically a small computer on a single metal oxide semiconductor, that is MOS, integrated circuit chip. This microcontroller is basically a metal oxide semiconductor based IC. This microcontroller is basically known as a small computer. This microcontroller contains one or more CPU, that is processor cores, along with memory and programmable input-output peripheral. This microcontroller contains one or more processor to process varieties of tasks. These microcontrollers are embedded inside device to control the action and features of product. Hence, they can also be referred to as embedded controller. Microcontrollers are embedded on a single platform. That's why this is known as embedded controller. These microcontrollers are designed using varieties of components. A microcontroller is comprised of components like memory, peripheral, and most importantly a processor. Here we have a basic diagram, block diagram of microcontroller. It contains CPU, that is central processing unit, or we can simply say processor. Then we have a RAM, that is random access memory, ROM, read-only memory, input-output ports, timer, and serial COM port. So this is basically a microcontroller. Microcontroller has on-chip memory. Okay, this microcontroller has on-chip processor, on-chip memories, timers, and some other components also there for a varieties of microcontrollers. So this microcontroller has processor plus memory on a single platform. Okay, that's why it is known as a small computer. Now let's discuss about evaluation of microcontrollers. This first computer system on a chip optimized for a control applications microcontroller was the Intel 8048, released in 1976, which includes both RAM and ROM on the same chip. This in the year of 1980, Intel has introduced the 8085 microcontroller with higher performance than 8048. Due to advantage of 8051, the 8-bit 8051 family quickly gained the position of the second generation world standard microcontroller. Microcontroller is basically developed by Intel. This Intel developed a new generation of single chip 16-bit microcontroller called the MCS96, that is 8096 family. With the advancement of technology, the 8096 family offers the highest level of a system integration ever achieved on a single chip microcontroller with 1,20,000 transistors on a single chip platform. This 8096 microcontroller has 16-bit CPU, 8 KB of program memory, and 232 byte of data memory, and both analog and digital type of input-output features. So this 8096 microcontroller basically includes 16-bit processor with 8 KB ROM memory because it is programmable memory, and 232 byte of data memory which is RAM memory, and it includes input-output of both the kinds, analog and and digital types. This evaluation of microcontroller basically includes this all kinds of controllers, this 8048, 8051, 8096 families, then HMEL 8089C51 and its family, and AVR microcontroller and its family. So this microcontroller includes all these kinds of microcontroller. Here this basic integrated circuit of this microcontrollers are basically represented over here. Here this HMEL AVR, this is basically AVR microcontroller, and this is a single 8051 microcontroller IC. So this microcontroller is basically here marked, and these all are the microcontroller are basically invented, and this has various features. This 8048 is basically invented in 1976. It has 8-bit of size. This is we can say that this is the first microcontroller. Then we have a next 8051 which invented in 1980. It is also 8-bit microcontroller with mask ROM. Then next 8MEL 8089C51. It is invented in 1984. This is also 8-bit microcontroller with flash memory. And next AVR, this is invented in 1996. This is also 8-bit microcontroller. This AVR is basically RISC microcontroller. RISC microcontroller, that means reduced instruction set computer microcontroller. Here in this microcontroller only limited or only few instructions are basically used to program this microcontroller, and it is widely used RISC microcontroller. This microcontroller offers varieties of features which are low cost, compact, versatile, power saving mode. In a microcontroller there is a power saving mode, low power consumptions, reliable and portable. Here we have various applications of microcontroller, that is consumer electronic products applications, in which toys, cameras, robots, washing machine, microwave ovens are there. In all these components microcontroller are used. Then in a instrumentation and process control, it includes oscilloscope, multimeter, leakage current tester, data acquisition and control. Then in a medical instrumentation, like in a ECG machine, in a AccuCheck etc. device includes microcontroller. Then in a communications, like in a cell phones, in a telephone sets, in a answering machine, this microcontrollers are there. There is other applications of microcontrollers are in a office equipment, like in a fax machine, in a printers. Then microcontrollers are also used in a multimedia applications, in which MP3 players and PDAs all are included. Okay, so in this MP3 players and all multimedia related music system includes this microcontroller. Then in automobile systems or in automobiles, microcontroller are also used in a speedometers or in a ABS, that is auto braking system. So all this device includes applications of microcontroller. Using microcontroller, all device can perform a particular specific task. Here we have a role of microcontroller in an embedded system. This microcontroller is a compressed microcomputer manufactured to control the function of embedded system. Now what is embedded system? So an embedded system is a small computer that form part of a larger system device or a machine. This embedded system is basically a small computer that performs a large system device or a machines. Embedded system is basically components which included on a single platforms, and all varieties of components like processor and then memory device and various kinds of timers are included on a single platform. It is known as an embedded system, and this microcontroller is basically known as an embedded system. It is also used to control the functions of embedded systems. Its purpose is to control the device and to allow a user to interact with it. They tend to have one or limited number of tasks depending on the requirements, and they can perform either one or limited number of tasks depending on the requirement. This microcontroller is basically a microcomputer, or says embedded computer on a single platform, and it allows to perform varieties of operations. It allows the user to interact with controller and outer environment, and allows to perform varieties of a task depending on the requirements of a microcontroller. So these are the role of microcontroller in an embedded system. Thank you.